Hi YouTube, UKLockPicka back with another video. Today's video I'm going to be lockpicking this GeGe lock. I'm not sure about the model, but if you do know, please put it in the comments below. It came from Gordon W. Locksport. His details are in the description below. Please head over and give him a like, a subscribe, show him a bit of support. Because he's a top man, he sent us a massive bunch of locks. But this one here is a 6-pinner. I'm going to see if I can get it. Bottom of the keyway tension, picking pins down with a Wes Pull medium hook. This in here has serrated pins, or I'll be very surprised if it hasn't. I picked it once, which was last night, but since then I haven't attempted it. I'm getting a click off one and take him down till I'm happy that he's set, which is there. Might even try and go deeper. No, just a test. That's him there, that's set. So then that gives me a good indication what a set pin feels like in this lock. So don't be scared to overset stuff in order to get the feedback you want, especially when you've got a binder at the beginning. I mean, you'd be stupid not to. So number 2, number 3, 4. I mean, he feels set, to be honest. 5, letting off, that's it. 6. 2 was binding. 3 click. 'Another click off 2. 3. 4. 6 is binding. A little click. Back to the beginning. You want to check the stacks. 1 set. 2. There's a lot of movement in 2. 3 setting right up there. 4 set. 'Let's have another look. 1. Too much movement on 2. 2, 3, 2 and 1, still in position. Number 4 is binding. That's it. 4's in. 6 is, so 5 has got to be our last one. I'll put my pick tip on it. He is sitting quite deep. Just check number 6 again, just to be doubly sure. Yeah. Try and get number 5 with this one, which is quite difficult. One, 2's come back up. That's it. So I got 5. 2 popped back up for whatever reason. That's another GeGe lock picked. So, after an absolute ball ache getting the tailpiece off, we have the lock gutted. So, in number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Heavily master wafered. Not for me to know. That's it. The car is, if it'll focus, it's being a wanker. It's all counter milled, everyone apart from number 1. So in 1 I'd be expecting to see a serrated pin. If I don't, I'll be pleasantly surprised. There you go, serrated pin, sorry. Number 2, let's have a look at that. Standard. Get these out while I'm there. Big out springs. Huge fucking springs. Tiny little single serrated or a spool, whichever way you want to look at it. I mean, these springs are bloody massive. Same in 4. Giant thing, absolutely fucking massive thing, the size of that. In 5. And lastly but not leastly, another serrated pin, but number 5 is by far the biggest I've seen in a normal lock, a stock lock. So yeah, I mean, nothing really in there to show. Standard stuff. Don't know what the reason would be behind not having the GeGe logo stamped on that, but that to me is a GeGe lock all day long, and it's definitely a GeGe keyway, 100%. And if you can see that, that's all counter milled. So yeah, cheers Gordon for the lock, mate. Absolutely fudged the gutting of it up. Not through a mistake, really, but basically this was attached to the tailpiece, and it had that metal pin pressed through that. So when I come to gut it, I didn't clock it, so it is my fault, but I've had to hit it with a hammer, and then I've had to get the pliers on it, and I pulled it. So most of the gutting, or taking this apart at the back, is going to be fast forwarded.